giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop. That's that.
Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. And that is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to the first vlog of 2026. Whoop, 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 whoop. Happy New Year. Y'all, we are en route to Dallas. DeAndre is playing in his last football game of his freshman season. They are playing in the Medal of Honor, Badge of Honor. It's a bowl game. Oh, they playing in the Armed Forces Bowl. And it's in Fort Worth, Texas. So today is New Year's Day, January 1st. And y'all know we cannot have a road trip without stopping at Buc-ee's. And y'all, we have a special guest. Come on, say hi to the people.
Hi.
Y'all, this is my grandbaby, Deuce. Y'all, his hair, just, let's go in Buc-ee's. Hi, Chloe.
Let me.
Yes, baby.
I think they're super hot.
Say cheese. Come on. I wish I would have saw that before we left out of the It is always packed in this place. And when I say it's packed, it is packed. Oh, y'all, look at this. Oh, my goodness. First, before we do anything, y'all, we have to take a restroom break. And we're out of here. You have to be prepared to spend money when you come to Buc-ee's. This is ridiculous. What you eating? Chicken and fries. Yeah, we have made it. We are at the hotel now, and we have gone all around the world. We got to Dee's Hotel first, and I thought we were actually right downtown where the rest of the hotels are, because when I Googled it, it said we were like a block away from the hotel that the team is staying at. And baby, it's no way we could walk to that hotel, but no, we're gonna go this way. This is called the Advent Hotel. We went to there. We got to theirs first. It's still so festive in here. I can't stand these Beats headphones. I mean, when I say I can't stand them, it is so irritating. Stay in the second lane from right here.
Fa la 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 la. Done we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. I go on and on. Can't understand how it lasts so long.
Oh, yeah. Candles burning low. Lots
of mistletoe.
Oh, this is fancy schmancy.
Everywhere we go,
Boy, you take a picture of me by the Christmas tree.
right outside my door. All these things more. Oh, that's what Christmas means to me, my love. Oh,
No, I was trying to get it. Oh, we got staging now.
Smile.
So glad you could join us. What's up, D Horde?
What's up, man?
Say what's up to the vlog. Coco, please, you and dude, stop. We're amongst people.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names.
Yeah, it is. There's people in there.
Other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game.
The chicken fila is in the whole shopping plaza.
Lemmy, can I eat chicken and fries?
No chicken and fries for you.
Why?
Because.
Okay, no, I'm not.
You are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
No, I'm not.
Come on.
Can I eat chicken and fries, Lemmy?
Hmm.
Can I eat chicken and fries, Lemmy?
Go. Come on. Now this is a fancy trash can. Chloe, go ahead, throw your stuff away. No, Chloe, you got your own.
Ooh.
Y'all saw what just happened? She went up to it and it just opened. Oh, yeah, I heard what he said.
Yes, I can see you. I'm gonna
Oh, we
At the next light, turn left.
put you in
Oh,
your
okay.
house, and I'm not gonna. Now I'm gonna lock your door
Oh,
and give you a passcode you won't know.
wow, that's kind of mean.
At the stop sign,
what did
turn
I do
right
to
onto
deserve
West
that? Oh
7th.
yeah, glorious.
Turn at Carroll
Tell
Street.
you the passcode, dude.
Mm-hmm.
I was
That's where we
kidding,
went for
Coco.
Kim's birthday one
Coco,
year.
I was kidding.
From work.
How is the
Now, what kind of breakfast is this? We have breakfast potatoes and turkey sausage, scrambled eggs, juice, yogurt. But y'all, we don't have any type of bread. No pancakes, no waffles, no biscuits. Just the English muffin. What are you talking about? This on my vlog. I could do that if I want to. That's what they got. Good morning. Happy Friday. Oh yeah, they do have cereal. Got some Lucky Charms. Muffins. I could have made a breakfast sandwich.
3 hours later.
Listen, I did not think about parking with this game, and we didn't have to park in somebody's yard because the parking is crazy out here. $50. But at this point, what can we do? Lots are prepaid only, and why didn't I think to buy a parking pass? Anyway, we're headed to the stadium. Say what's up, Cora. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in a little bit. We came in at 2:26.
Here today dedicate this show to their fellow veterans, protectors of freedom, defenders of liberty, and true American heroes.
We are in section 201. Like, why would they do the parents that way? Put us in the second level. It's crazy. Oh, it's two of them. Y'all, this is the Armed Forces Bowl. Okay. Oh no! Ooh. Y'all live. And he came in on his feet. Oh, look. They're steady coming in, guys. Look. Oh my, look this one. This one coming in right here. Look. Yeah, there's another one. There goes my big baby. Hey, Coco girl.
Hey, I'm from Wheel 3, 1, 2, 3,
Yeah! Woo!
Now entering the field are the White Owls.
Yeah! Let's go! Owls! Woo! All right, let's go, Owls! Woo!
They don't train like you.
What so proudly we hailed, and the wreckage red glare, the bombs bursting in air, and my homeland.
We are sitting all the way up here in the second level, looking down on the game. They wrong for this. Look where we sitting. Oh, sorry. The field is down there. They wrong for this. But anyway, I'm finna enjoy the game.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Bring in Chris Dawn.
I'm ready to go.
There you go, D.
Game is over, y'all. Look at that, 41 to 2. Hey, girl. We're right here. We're waiting on the players to come out. The loading dock area. We're waiting for them to come out right here and walk this way. Me and the close store. Let me see, baby.
So you gotta do the other way.
Ooh.
Put your hands together. Come right there.
Okay. There's my big baby.
What that mean? How you keep giving me?
Look, dudes. I called him. I asked him to come out. What up, D?
Wait, I'm not taking them off. I just want to see where your finger was in it.
A few moments later.
Y'all, look at this. The robot cleaning the floor, I guess. Really, Coco? I mean, Chloe. It's following you. One more time, y'all, before we hit the H. Now I'm talking to my people. This is my first time. Well, it's not real late, but it's like after 7. So it's not as many people, but honey, it's still packed.
3 hours later.
And we have made it home. Ooh, thank you, Lord. The trip, the game, I just have to look at it. We did it for the support of DeAndre. We did it because we support D hard. But that game was sad. It was pitiful. It was painful to watch. And these people, oh Lord, let me just get out. Let me just end the vlog. If you have made it to this portion of the video, thank you for rocking with your girl. Thank you for coming with me to Dallas. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see each one of you in the next video. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy.